Word plus word is a sentence. So it doesn't matter how many words in there to form a sentence as long as it is more than one word. Two words can make a sentence. Well, perhaps you ask, what is the example? I go. Here, one, this is two. Two words can make a sentence, but don't forget you have to put a period so they become a sentence. Now, this is already considered a sentence, and if you erase the period, the dot over there, and you add more words, such, such as in the beginning, in the phone, you can add, wow, I go with father to the old restaurant today. Excuse me, I have to erase this one. Now, this, wait, today. Now, this is still not considered as a sentence because there is no period. If there is a period, it is considered as a sentence. Now, these words are classified into different classes. Wow is considered as interjection. I, you already know, is pronoun. Go is verb. With is conjunction. Father is noun. To is preposition. It's a minor. Old is considered as adjective. This one is also noun. And the last one today is adverb of time. Now, so there are 9 classes in here: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb. That makes it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Continue with conjunction 6, 7, 8, and the last one is interjection. So there are 9 classes of words. Now, you already know the classes of words in here and how to use them. I Oh, you don't know. You don't know how to use them. Okay. We will go on with that soon. So please stay here, stay tuned. The next part is going to talk about how to form or how to make a sentence. Making a sentence, it reminds me of math because it has its own formula. Sentence. We're focusing on one sentence only. So every sentence. The formula of sentence is subject plus predicate plus, we'll go down, object. Well, subject plus predicate plus object. It can be only this, but also you can add complement to add more context, more information to your sentence. Let's use subject noun first. Let's call it David. Okay, David. David, that is the subject. We're going to continue with verb. David ran. Because it is in simple present tense, you have to put S. Why? That is for another lesson. David runs to school. Like that. If you want to put object, it is possible based on the context of the sentence. For example, we change the runs into eats pasta in restaurant. Okay. S P O, the guess is C. SPOC, and that's why. And don't forget the period. And that's how you make a sentence. Well, now you are asking how to make a sentence using to be. So we are still using David. You're still here, David. Oh God, my board marker. David. The to be for David is, well, is, and then after that we need adjective, right? David is happy. David is happy, and we can end it with complement. Today. Dot. Don't forget. The position is similar as an object, which even though it is not. But you can remember the formula of these things to resemble the difference between using the verb and to be, so you can make your own sentence. Remember, this is a simple sentence. We start by simple sentence first, and we try to learn more later on how the sentence is. If you have any questions, if you have any critics, comments, if you spot any mistakes that I did, or you can make a better sentence, you can comment below. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.